This is the way.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the Chopper Fit channel. This is it. It's the 1,000 subscriber giveaway prize announcement. Yeah, I'm not quite there yet. Only at about 953, 54 subscribers as of filming this, but I wanted to go ahead and get this video out so people have plenty of time to get in for the registration for these awesome prizes. So, what are the prizes? Yeah, I'm making this short and sweet today, getting right to the point. Don't want to waste y'all's time. Third place, like before, Chopper Fit swag. Anything from my Teespring store, you want it, you got it. That's the third place prize. The second place prize is a RevZilla gift card. Last time I did cycle gear. This time I decided, yeah, let's do RevZilla. I haven't done them before. They're good cats. So second place prize, $50 gift card to RevZilla. And then for the grand prize, and I am very proud of this one now. You might not like it as much as the other stuff, but I sure think a Chopper Fit helmet rack is what you all need. Yeah, so I had some leftover parts from when I did my helmet rack video a few months ago, and I put this one together. Now the sticker is removable if you don't want to have that on there. And when I ship it, I'm going to ship it kind of in pieces. You'll have to kind of assemble it yourself just to make it easier, because otherwise this box is going to be a pain in the butt to ship. But yeah, those are the prizes for the 1,000 subscriber giveaway. Now, what do you have to do to be part of it? One, you have to be a subscriber. That's the easiest part. You just got to click that subscribe button. And if you want to get those notifications, feel free to cling, ling, ding-a-ling, all that fun stuff. Second thing, you have to comment in this video. When's the deadline? There is no deadline, except for when I hit 1,000 subscribers. At any point in time, I could cut off the entries at that point. So we have quite a bit of time, unlike the 2 weeks before, like I kind of made it a very short window, where I have a little bit longer window, unless some other videos that I put out really bring in the traffic, which I doubt they will. But with that being said though, again, if you guys want to win this, a RevZilla gift card or some Chopper Fit swag, make sure you click that subscribe button, comment down below, and as always, I will catch you on the next dark side, as this is the way. Chopper Fit, see you in the next one. Later!